back to another Mixology Monday. We got Tom here and I'm Robbie. Tom's got an extra special, awesome winter cocktail for us. What are we doing today, Tom?
We're going to make a winter old-fashioned, Rob.
All right, okay.
Stop laughing.
Will you walk me through this?
I would like to walk you through this.
Okay, what's step one?
Well, step one is we're going to put 2 ounces in each glass of our 4-year Carolina. That's right.
Only the best for Tom here.
Yeah, well,
4-year Queen Charlotte is super awesome. 2 ounces in each glass?
Yes, sir, that works.
Tom Cruise.
All right. He keeps saying Tom Cruise, but he really doesn't look like Tom Cruise.
One day Tom Cruise is going to come out here.
I doubt it. Okay, let's throw in 1 ounce of lemon juice in each glass.
All
we
right.
have that already pre-portioned out here.
1 ounce in each
these
glass?
lovely little ramekins,
Gotcha,
stainless
boss man.
steel.
Yeah, only the best.
All right, we're going to throw in 1 ounce of orange juice now.
All right, and this is fresh squeezed orange juice.
That's it. Squeezed it with these hands.
He did. He struggled like crazy, but he got it.
Hey, so I'm old.
All right, we got the orange juice.
Now we're going to add some maple cardamom syrup.
All right, this is what makes the glass or the drink special.
That's
Tom's recipe will be in the description below.
That's right. Now you have a little spoon for me there, young
Yes,
sir?
sir. Got you right here.
Let's put a spoon in each one. That's good.
That's a tablespoon?
Oh yeah, that works for me. That looks perfect.
Give it a stir.
Give it a little stir.
All right.
A little bitters,
Got
because
the
it wouldn't be an
bitters.
old fashioned without bitters.
How many dashes of bitters?
I would say 2.
2 dashes. Bam. Right there.
Now he's emerald. And we had some ginger beer over there to float on top of this here.
You want to do that? We can
Yes,
do that.
sir. That's what makes it.
With the ginger ale, we're using local ginger ale for this. There you go.
That's it. Oh, wait. Let's put the garnish on, Rob,
All right, let me give it stir it up real good for you.
just to make it more festive and holiday. These are cranberries.
Did you do this at home?
I
ahead
did
of
this
time?
at home ahead of time because I know how much you like festive looking drinks.
I mean, it just screams winter.
It does.
Yeah. So how did you do these cranberries? These are just rolled in sugar?
No, you put a little maple syrup on them,
Mm.
let them sit, and then you put a little bit of sugar in your bag, drop them in, shake it, and there you
Smell
go.
good. Interesting.
Well, Rob,
Thank you, Tom.
first today.
What is this? The winter old fashioned. Cheers, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and our website. Don't forget to come out for a tour, and thanks for watching.